The numerator can be written as this, d square minus 3 square, because 3 square will still give me 9. All over, I want to factorize this denominator. Look for two numbers such that when you multiply, you have 12d square, and when you add those numbers together, you have minus 7d. And what are those numbers? Since adding them will give me a negative number and multiplying will give me a positive number, those two numbers must be negative actually. So now, those two numbers should be, I'm looking for two numbers such that when I multiply it, I have this, and when I add, I will have minus 7d. I think 3d and 4d will give me this, but two of them have to be negative. Since when you add two of them together, you have this, and when you multiply, you have this. So we continue now. D square, instead of writing this minus 7d, you replace with what you have here, the two values you got, minus 3d minus 4d, because this will still give you your minus 7d. Then you complete it with your 12. So this is equal to, remember your difference of two squares. This now will be written as d minus 3 bracket d plus 3 all over, d is common in this first one, you bring out the d divides d square is d, minus d divides this will give me 3. Then I open again, 4 is the HCF of this, it can divide. So if you divide this, you are left with d. Remember, this minus now will affect this sign, which will give me also 3. So you must have the same thing in the bracket, the same terms in the bracket. So we continue now. This is equal to d minus 3, d plus 3, all over, I pick what I have outside, d minus 4, and since these two are common, you pick one of them, d minus 3. We'll factorize now. Something can actually cancel out. These two can cancel out because they are like terms. So now we are left with d plus 3 all over d minus 4. Don't do the mistake of saying d divides d. It's very wrong. Yeah, this is dividing the whole of this, or the whole of this is dividing this rather. So don't do the mistake of doing d cancel d. No. So we've simplified it to the lowest term or lowest form. So this should be our final answer. Thank you very much. Do well to subscribe to my channel for more videos.